Hi there, I am Nicole Trieu. Welcome to my homepage. I'm excited to show you my listings and tour of my previous sold activities. I specialize in fine homes and estates, and my special niche is commercial, income properties and gas stations. Must-see luxurious single-story floor plan is spacious and open with 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths at the ranch on Silver Creek. Beautiful exterior architecture and stylish interior design. Dramatic circular entry welcome you into the living room and formal dining room. Spacious family room is adjacent to the low-maintenance backyard with beautiful integral colored stamped concrete. Views of the greenbelt, pond and the clubhouse in the distant interior. Amenities include extensive hardwood and tile flooring, crown moldings, high-end upgrades, custom window covering and platation shutters. Gourmet kitchen offers custom granite countertops and backsplash, high-end stainless steel appliance. A large center